Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check GNC registration status. First, you need to identify the specific state or national regulatory body responsible for licensing GNCs. Once you know that, navigate to their official website. Before you start searching, make sure you have the GNC's full name or their license number ready. This information will help you find their registration details quickly and accurately. Once on the regulatory body's website, look for a section labeled License Verification, License Lookup, or Public Registry. Click on this link to access the search tool. Carefully enter the GNC's complete name or their unique license identification number into the designated search fields. Double-check for any typos. Then click the search button to display their current registration information. After performing your search, carefully review the results. You should see the GNC's current registration status, such as active or inactive, along with their license expiration date. Also, look for any public notices or disciplinary actions that might be listed. If the information seems incomplete, or if you cannot find the GNC you are looking for, it is best to contact the regulatory board directly for assistance. If you encounter issues, first re-verify the spelling of the GNC's name and confirm you are searching on the correct state's regulatory website. Remember that some online databases might not update immediately, so recent changes may not yet appear. For further assistance, always reach out to the specific licensing board. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.